Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. I'm going to replace the Serpentine belt on a 2015 Versa Note. So we're going to have to take this shield off, got the vehicle up in the air a little bit, jack up the vehicle. Got some nice pinch weld here, you got a nice metal piece here, so jack it up. Use safety stands, protect yourself. You may or may not want to take the tire off, totally up to you. Screwdriver in here and pop off this cover and take the lug nuts off. You can probably just get in here though. Use a screwdriver and get in here, pop this center piece out. Up here too. Probably something along the edge here. Looks like a screw. I'm not sure if it's attached to anything. Looks like a Torx bit. So I'm gonna pop these out. Might need two screwdrivers, one on each side, to pop these out. So we'll pop those out and we'll pull this off to the side to get to the belt and to the tensioner. Four 21mm lug nuts, left to loosen, right to tighten. You can remove as much of this as you need to, probably. Just take more clips out. Popping the clips out. There was one screw here, right in this area. I think some stuff's broken up though, and then there was a screw down here. It was like a T15 Torx bit. Yep, T15 Torx bit. Here's a view of the belt. I'm going to loosen this nut up right here. And then we'll turn a screw. And the screw's over on the other side here. You can feel it, can't see it. There's quite a bit of nice room in here. If you can reach in with your hand, you'll be able to feel it. So that's how that's working. So I'm using just a 1/4-inch ratchet with a 13mm socket on there, and I am getting it off. Turned it to a point I can probably just use my fingers. Getting some belt slop now. So we'll turn it until we can get the belt off. Probably just slide it off there. So turning it counterclockwise to loosen up. So belt is off. We'll put the new belt on and then go clockwise and tighten up that tensioner assembly. That's really all there is to it. Alright, so putting it back on, get up on the alternator first, then wrapped around here, then here, and around here, and the belt was straight across that pulley here, and then pulled it down and worked okay. I'm in the middle of tightening it right now. This is probably still too loose in my opinion. Maybe we want just a little bit of deflection like this. But what you can do is tighten it till you think it's okay, and then start it up and run it, give it some gas. If you hear some belt squeak, then you'll need to tighten it some more. If you don't hear anything, you're probably going to be okay. But if you have a little belt squeak after you put the belt on, go ahead and probably want to tighten it some more. So I think that's really it. You can just fold this back into place, put your screws in place, and you should be good to go. That was in here like that, I believe. Of course, let's check out the other side if it's maybe been damaged. Oh, there we go, just like that. Mine was not like that because it's been in an accident. Screw here, and then a screw down here, right there, I believe. So, Nissan Versa Note SV 4-door hatchback, 1.6 liter, 97 CI, VIN C. Here's a close-up of the pins for the Versa. Just got the centerpiece that comes in and out. That's basically in the ready to install position. Kind of got to squeeze these little babies together to get it to fit in the hole usually. Ooh. Pull it out a little further. Those all come together. Push it in the hole, and then push the centerpiece back in. When we put the lug nuts back on, tighten them in a crisscross pattern. I couldn't easily find the lug nut Torx back. You can probably find that somewhere online, and it's probably about 80 foot-pounds. But do a little research, get your Torx specs if you have a torque wrench. Tighten them tight.